title of this video is God Level Silver Cleaning. See this? This is a ring, a silver ring, that I found while metal detecting. And as you may know, it really affects the patina of the ring. It comes out this gray color.
It, of course, meaning leaving silver in salt water. It turns grayish like that.
But I'm going to combine two techniques that I'm sure you've seen while doing your research on how to clean silver. I'm going to make this look like this. Step 1. Take a pot that you do not cook with.
All of the ingredients that we use are safe, but if you use a pot that you cook with, your food is going to taste like extra salty. And I know silver is like in multivitamins and stuff. Just buy a pot specifically for this. Trust me, your wife or significant other will thank you.
Step 2. Take some aluminum foil. Step 3. Make an island.
Make an island.
You're going to put your ring on an island in the pot. You'll see. Make an island. That works fine, just like that. Yeah, perfect. Step 3. Give the island some water. Step 4. Give the island some heat.
I'd go as far to say that the villainous laugh is not optional. You need the villainous laugh. We're trying to break up a patina here. And in order to get that patina off, you need that villainous laugh.
Now, put your ring on the heated island, right in the middle of the heated island. Now that we have a heated island with the ring in the center, we're going to take some baking soda. It's actually boiling soda. We're not baking with it, we're boiling. We're putting it right on top of the ring.
Now, I know some of you are looking at this and are like, we've seen this. We know there's aluminum foil and baking soda, that clean silver. No, there's another step. Just keep watching.
And we're going to yell boom shakalaka on 3. 1, 2, 3.
The villainous laugh is not optional. That's optional. That was just a bad idea at the time.
And now you just enjoy watching it boil. And the residue that is there, the black patina that is there, it is slowly being broken down. You don't have to repeat this step many times. That's where the difference is. That's where I went wrong in this process before. Because I kept doing this and it plateaued. But oh, I'm telling you, we are going to a higher plane. Now this is an important disclaimer. If you have a ring that has any jewelry on the inside, like look right there, you don't want to do this with that. Do this next step with that, and I'll show you why. Here's the other thing. You want to submerge the island. Make sure that it is submerged. It should look like this, and the rings should be covered. You could add some more baking soda periodically, but basically we are loosening the patina that is there. Due to the chemical reaction going on, the water and actually the contents should turn a little bit more black, but you could wipe it down and you'll see the difference when you do. Now this is where we are at right now with the ring that I showed you that was initially black. It's grayish, and yes, you can polish it, and I've polished using a Dremel in the past, and that'll work to a certain extent, but not as well as what I'm about to show you. And to prepare it for the next step, all I did, by the way, was just give it a quick rub, take all of the extra residue off. All right, for the next part, what you're gonna need is a tumbler. It's worth every penny if you get one, by the way. This is what I use to tumble in. You could use pebbles, although this works a bit better. This is where everything goes in the tumbler. You're going to need 1 lemon, and you're going to need some dish soap. Basically, you squeeze the entire lemon in, then you take a given amount of dish soap, cover it up, you tumble for half an hour to an hour. We'll see what the results are. Tumble, tumble, tumble. Alright, so basically I'm going to put a link in the video description to my suggestion for a good tumbler, and we'll see how this turns out. Basically, I've been having fun all week with this, and it just leaves it with that shine. But we'll see. That ring that I showed you in the beginning, as you saw, it was full of that grayish patina. That layer that happens when it's exposed, when salt is exposed to silver, and or when silver is exposed to salt. That's what I meant. You know what I meant. So we'll see. We'll see how this comes out. Hopefully the same as these. All right, time to pull the plug and dump everything into here. Here we go. Okay, gotta find it. Wow. Okay. I could see my reflection on this. That's what I'm talking about. I put a few others in there too. And what a difference. It's a combination of the two processes that really make this, exceptional. So there we go. This one can use a little bit more time in the, in the solution, and then tumble it a little bit more. But what a difference. That is how you get your jewelry sparkling. Yeah, before and after, it's not even a question. That's a completely different ring. So that's my new process for cleaning silver jewelry that do not have stones. If you like this, please hit the like button and share it out. It helps my channel grow. Of course, the #1 way that you can do that is hitting the subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. Thanks, everybody. Hope this helped you.